Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about testing O2 sensors. The best way to test O2 sensors is with a scan tool and on the vehicle, because you ain't got to pull them off, it's not a pain in the ass. Anyway, if you don't have a scan tool, this is the next best way that I found to test them. You just need propane or MAP gas, a voltmeter, and something to hold your O2 sensor, vise, zip ties, tape, whatever you got. Get that thing where it won't move. We're gonna heat it up to about 600 degrees, whatever. You want it warm because they don't actually start working properly until they are up to temperature. This is a 4-wire. We're gonna be testing the 2 whites are your heater, and the you got a black and a gray. So you got a control wire and a ground. We want to set our voltmeter to 0 or 2 if you got one like this. And it's going to be reading between 0.5 and 1.0 volts. So we're going to get this thing heated up real quick. Just move it back and forth on the tip right there until you get it warmed up. You don't want to just have it sitting on there and glowing because it'll ruin your sensor.
So you can see there how it jumps up when I have the heat on it. So it jumps